everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to change your Instagram password. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. In order to change your Instagram account's password, you can simply go ahead and open up a web browser. If you are doing this on a computer, if you are doing this on a mobile device, you can simply open up your Instagram app. In the URL box, type in www.instagram.com and press enter on your keyboard. Also make sure that you are logged into your Instagram account in order to change your password for it. From the main homepage of Instagram, go and click on your profile icon at the top right once you're logged in. From the expanded menu, click on settings. On the left hand side, you'll be able to see a password change option. Give it a click and enter your old password for your Instagram account in the first text box. Head over to the new password text field and type in your new password you would like to change to. Once you are done, confirm the new password by retyping it again in the last text box. Finally, click on change password in order to change your password for your Instagram account. That way, you'll be able to change your Instagram account's password quick and easy. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.